AD Ports inks a deal for project development across Africa, and UAE workers are looking for new jobs with higher salaries. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. AD Ports Group has signed a deal with development financier Africa Finance Corporation for potential projects across the continent. The collaboration agreement provides the basis for the two entities to identify, finance, develop and invest in ports, warehouses, maritime and logistics infrastructure projects in Africa. Throughput at African ports are forecast to reach 2 billion tons by 2040. However, the amount of time cargo spends at a port is around 20 days compared to the global average of 4 days. UAE workers are looking for new jobs to earn higher salaries as they struggle to cope with the rising cost of living. In a survey by Robert Half, 74% of respondents say they were considering a new role in 2023 in pursuit of higher salaries. 52% of employees polled said they're struggling to meet monthly living expenses. Its 2023 salary guide shows over the past 12 months, the average salary in the UAE has increased by 3.2%, while inflation has gone up by around 5.6%, as per UAE central bank estimates. The European tech industry saw $400 billion in value wiped out this year and an 18% decline in VC funding. VC firm Atomico says the combined value of public and private tech firms in Europe fell to $2.7 trillion, down from $3.1 trillion in late 2021. High interest rates, the war in Ukraine, and a shrinking talent pool are among the reasons cited for the drop. Market pressures forced several top European companies to raise funds at a discount to their once sky-high valuations. Recent Russian attacks on Ukraine have damaged 350 natural gas facilities in the country, though production should be largely restored by year-end. State energy company Naftogaz says the loss of gas production capacity amounted to a value of around $700 million. Naftogaz says it's a priority to get the firm out of default after it tipped into a messy default in July, becoming the first Ukrainian government entity to do so since the start of Russia's invasion. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. It tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's richest people. Our biggest winner today is once again Indonesian coal billionaire Lau Tuck Kwang, up $2.2 billion with net wealth of $21 billion. Our second biggest winner today is Chinese battery module Robin Zhang, up $2.1 billion with net wealth of $34.5 billion. And our third place winner is Indian infrastructure and commodities tycoon Gautam Adani, up $1.5 billion with net wealth of $136.1 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest billionaires. Uber Technologies and driverless tech maker Motional have launched their public Robotaxi service in Las Vegas. The launch is part of a non-exclusive 10-year agreement between both companies for driverless vehicles. In the multi-market deal, Motional's autonomous vehicles would ferry both passengers and delivery items for Uber and its Uber Eats division. The companies say they'll have vehicle operators for now, but are working to make a fully driverless experience available to the public next year. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.